how to get you to settlement faster. Hey everybody, it's Gregory Martire, local realtor team lead here. We're talking about today on this video, this tip is how to get to settlement faster. Now, we all want to go to settlement, right? We all want to get paid, of course. I mean, we do this because we love it, but we also want to get paid. We're not hiding behind that. So how do we get and speed up the process? Well, I call it the 7 degrees of why. So maybe you know someone or have had contact with someone or the age-old 3, 4, 5, even 6-year-old that keeps says why. So I want you to act like a 5-year-old with your prospects. If you can get to the 7th why, you'll understand. So, well, I'm moving to the Philadelphia area. Why? Well, I want to get closer to my grandkids. Why? Well, I need to help them out and help homeschool them. Why? I'm a licensed teacher, retired, and I enjoy it. Why? Oh, I love helping kids, if you can kind of see my point. Now, we're not just sitting there going, why, like a machine. But, oh, I drove by that neighborhood the other day. Oh, why? Well, I was driving from work, or I was driving near my house. Well, we want to live in that neighborhood. Why? Oh, well, because it's real close to my job. Well, why is that important to you? Well, my commute right now is 45 minutes, and I'd like it to bring it down. So if you have some good why information, and you can get to the 7th degree of why, it may not be 7 whys, it may be 3, it may be 8. But if you're understanding, I want to go look at that house. Why? Because I need to move. Why? Because my job got changed. Why? Because I have a new career. If you understand certain levels deeper, you understand their pain, which may not be hurtful. It may be motivation. It may be why. What is in their heart? Why? Now you can really help them, because you can take that, I must have a short commute. That's why I want that, not that house, that neighborhood. You can take that information and use it as power to help get you quicker to where you need to go. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you would like me to elaborate on it, I'd be glad to do it. You can comment down below or shoot me a text, or you can send us an email anytime. If you wanted some information on mentoring or coaching, or you just wanted a second opinion on something, I'm happy to do it. But give us a call anytime. Gregory Martire, yours in service. Thanks so much for stopping out. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.